Welcome back to another episode of the Lathe Build. I'm going to start off today's episode with leveling the cross slide to the chuck. I've put stuff underneath the legs in order to kind of bring it to a nice level. Then I'm just going to simply place the level across here and across here on this bottom part. Get this bottom part to level, and then this thing should be sitting level because of the way the rails work. From there, I will cut this off level and then put my tool mount on here. In last week's episode, I was thinking that I would not need another slide this direction because I had this. But that's not the case, because in order for this function here to work the way I want it to, I need to be able to move the slide and then slide in at an angle this way. So I'm actually going to cut the sides off of this, I think, and build a mount that slides over the top of this. I'm not sure how I will mount it on yet, whether I'll go this way or this way. Kind of depends on the pieces that I end up using. This is kind of what I'm thinking for the rail system. It's just some half cuts of pipe that fit over this, and they slide real nice. So right now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mount these two poles to the cross slide, kind of get the base of where this is going to slide, and then I'll start building on top of that. Flat bar across the back, and then I'll probably do the same kind of idea, just the other direction. So there'll be a flat bar here that just comes out a little ways. It'll bolt right here, and then I'm going to weld this edge to that flat bar. That should allow for that top piece to slide across just fine. I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 of these things on, about like so, and I'm going to weld this plate right in the center of that, and then that'll move up and down. I've been kind of doing some thinking on how I want to attach this and really secure this down, because when I first built it, I wasn't really thinking through that very well. I'm going to tilt these in, you know, like swivel them in a little more. That way, when this thing goes on, it locks in. Now that I got the slide done on the top, I'm going to start working on the tool holder. I'm going to cut a couple squares out of this 1/4-inch plate here, and then I'm going to use this kind of as my main bolt through the center, and this is going to make it adjustable so I can move the tool up and down a little bit. I'll use these bolts through the 2 square plates to clamp down on the tools themselves. that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and share this video. That really helps these builds out. The next episode will be coming out next Friday, so click the subscribe button if you want to see that. Thanks for watching.